Chinky, saan ba mas maganda talaga mag-invest? Dako, in this video, what I'm going to reveal are the 7 investments that can make you rich. Tune in, don't tune out. This is one of the highest topics and hottest topics na pag-uusapan po natin, and super excited po talaga ako. Pag-uusapan po natin paano ba talaga ang investment, saan ba talaga tayo mag-i-invest. The 7 investment that you can possibly consider that can make you rich. Kung gusto nyo po ng simple, low maintenance, no need for special skills and degree para ikaw ay mag-invest at palaga ikaw ay super yumaman. Number 1, consideration, please invest in real estate. Yes po, you heard me right, real estate po. Ang kagandahan po kasi sa real estate po, kahit na wala ka talagang college degree, tama lang location mo, tama lang talaga yung target market mo, nabili mo na mababa yan, in time po yan, tataas po yung mga presyo po niyan. At pwede mong gawin, number 1 way to earn is through rental. Lease income po, ang tawag niyan lease income. Buwan-buwan po na pumapasok po sa yung income. Just like my friend na talagang super blessed talaga sila. Sila po ay nagnegosyo, yumaman po sila, bumili sila ng property doon sa may Acropolis po. 3 po silang anak, tapos po mag-asawa. Nangyari, nag-asawa na yung 3 anak. Naiwan na lang po yung property na yun. Nadalawa na lang sila, 5 po yung kwarto. Bigla na lang, mayroong isang expat na gustong upahan yung bahay nila dahil nagustuhan yung bahay nila. Magkano yung offer? Ayaw nilang umalis na mag-asawa, pero inoperan po sila ng 250,000 pesos per month sa upa. 250. Yung mister, hindi na dadalawang isip. Ano pong ginawa? Pinaupahan, at alam mo, ang galing po nila. Ang ginawa po nila, umupa na lang po ng kondo na 50,000 pesos per month. Pero high-end pa rin yung kondo at 50,000. Upa pa lang po. Okay lang kasi may 250 siya. Diba? Umupa siya ng 50,000. Malaki po yung kondo. May 200,000 siyang income na nakukuha buwan-buwan. Bongga! So, real estate. That's number 1. Lease income po. Number 2 po is resell. Reselling po. Kung gusto nyo, buy and sell po kayo, or if not naman, after quite some time, after 10 years po, or let's say some number of years, pwede nyo na ibenta. Mag-appreciate ng presyo. Okay, so, ang investment po pagdating sa real estate po, ang holding period, suggested ko po, is at least 10 years and above. Pahinugin nyo muna. Second, investment that can make you rich is invest in paper assets. Ano po itong mga paper assets na ito? Ito po yung tinatawag na UITF, Unit Investment Trust Fund. Ito po ay, or tinatawag na mutual funds. Ito po yung mga simple and easy way to invest. Alam mo, kung ayaw mo naman talaga mag-isip kung ano yung bibili mong stocks or saan ka maglalagay ng pera, saan palaguin, you allow the fund managers to do the investment for you. Itong UITF po, saan nyo mabibili? Sa mga bangko. Itong mutual funds naman, mabibili nyo ito sa mga insurance company or sa mga tinatawag na financial advisors. Kausapin nyo na lang po sila. Okay? Pagdating naman po, pag gusto nyo talagang mag-invest sa mutual fund or UITF, ang holding period po nito, listen, okay, should be more than 5 years, not less than 5 years. Kung ikaw mag-i-invest ka after 1 or 2 years, bumaksak ang presyo, ibebenta mo, huwag kang mag-invest kung ayaw mong iiwan dyan for at least a period of 5 years. Tama. Third investment that can make you rich is invest in the stock market. Yes, many people made money, many people also lost money. Lalo na pag hindi mo alam. Pero pag ikaw, alam mo to, marunong ka magbasa ng mga graph, marunong ka magbasa kung kailan yung bottom, kailan siya mag-average, kailan siya in other words, napakaganda pong investment ang stock market. Tama. Pero ito lang po, babala lang po pwede kayong kumita ng milyon, pero pwede rin kayong malugi ng milyon. Kaya ang stock market is not really for the faint-hearted or what we call as emotional investors. Tama. Yung parang pagka nakikita mo talaga yung parang yung bumabagsak sa stock market, parang inaatake ka sa puso, hindi ka makahinga. Hindi po pwede para to sa iyo. Ang holding period po pagdating po sa stock market, if you really want to become an investor, is at least 5 years and above. The longer, the better. Huwag kalimutan! Number fourth investment po that can really make you rich is what we call as invest in a what? Business. ay para sa akin po, this is the cup of tea, my cup of tea. Gusto ko talaga mag-invest sa negosyo. Kasi alam mo, kagandahan po sa negosyo po, you have control. You are the boss, di ba? Pwede mong palaguin. Hindi ka umaasa sa market forces, hindi ka umaasa sa sa index, hindi ka umaasa sa ekonomiya, lang sa kung ano sa real estate. Inaasahan mo yung talagang yung skills mo, yung diskarte mo. Ang perfect example po, yung mga malalaking mga negosyo po ngayon, Jollibee, di ba? Yung mga pagkain. Siyempre, pagdating naman sa mga supermarket naman, si Pure Gold ang Lodi po ngayon. Siya po yung pinaka-epitome talaga. Galing talaga ni Mr. Lucio ko. So, ito naman po, ang tanong naman po, gaano katagal naman ang building period pagdating po sa business? At least 2 to 5 years to break even, 2 to 5 years, and 6 to 10 years to really make profit. Huwag kalimutan! So, kung kayo naman po ay talagang nagmamadali kayong yumaman, hindi ulit ang negosyo po para sa inyo. It takes time also to build a business. Let's go to number 5. The fifth way po, fifth investment that can really make you rich is this. Listen. Ito po ay para sa lahat. Para sa lahat. Invest in your talent and skills. Yes! Nako, napakaganda po niyan. Ano po yung mga talent and skills na pwede nyong invest? Number 1, invest in your selling skills. Selling skills, alam mo, ang pagbebenta po is a skill. You can learn how to sell. Yes, just like anyone, di ba? Communication is a skill, di ba? So, pwede kang matuto eh. Kunyari, paano ka magsalita, paano ka mag-sales pitch, di ba? Everybody starts with mama and papa and dada, di ba? Wala ka naman nakita nga talaga, ay hindi, gifted na salesperson. Bakit? May nakita ka ba nung bata na lumabas sa kanyang sinapupunan? I'm a gifted salesperson. Wala po. Everybody learn how to what? Sell. That's the reason why if you want to learn how to sell, that's a talent and skill that you can develop. Number 2, acting skills. Pwede rin kung gusto mo talaga na sa showbiz ka. Or if not naman, kung ayaw mo sa showbiz, magaling ka magsulat. Writing skills. Or if not naman, magaling ka mag-orate. Diba? Magaling ka magsalita. Communication skills. So, marami po talaga. Kaya nga very important po. Alam mo, ito pang pwede mo ikayaman. Diba? Karamihan, as a matter of fact, yung mga nasabi ko sa inyo, ginawa ko to lahat. Nag-ahente ako ng age 12. Tapos, nag-artista ako when I was at 1987, yes, to 94, yes. Tapos, nagsulat din ako ng script ng pelikula, yes. Pagkatapos niyan, nag-communicate ako. Nasa radyo, sa TV po ako ngayon. So, in other words, ito po yung ginawa ko po, no? In terms of, I invested in my talent and skills. That's the reason why, yun nga, guminawa ang buhay ko. Pero, ang building period naman to, many years, matagal po to, or what we call as a lifetime. Because kasi tuloy-tuloy po ang dapat ang pag-improve po natin. Let's go to the number 6. 6 investment po that can make you rich is what? Listen. Invest in building good relationships. Tama. Friendship. Ito, napaka-ano to. Itong wala kang puhunan dito. Ang puhunan mo, laway. Ang puhunan mo, PR. Ano yung PR? Public relation. Ang puhunan mo dito, connection. Ang puhunan mo dito, networking. So, in other words, yung connect with people, be friendly with people. In order for you to really be good in terms of building relationship, no? Building good relationship, ang dapat iisipin po natin, hindi yung ano yung makukuha mo sa tao. Dapat iisipin mo parati, paano ako makakatulong sa tao? How can I help these people? How can I add value to these people? Ito yung good news. Ito yung natutunan ko kay Ginoong Zig Ziglar for years na talagang I've been applying. Just help enough other people to get what they want and you will also get what you want in life. Tulungan mo na makuha nila kung anong gusto nila and in time, makukuha mo rin yung gusto mo. Huwag kalimutan! Pero ito lang po, babala. How can you build this? Gaano katagal ang building period nito? Many years or a lifetime. Many years or a lifetime. Pero ito lang po babala. Asawa po ng babalu. In terms of building po relationship, okay, building relationship, kailangan po, tatandaan po natin, relationship is more important than the transaction. Kung talagang pagpipiliin, relasyon o pera, piliin mo, relasyon. Kasi ang relasyon, hindi kayang bilhin ng pera. Huwag kalimutan! Let's go to number 7 that can make you rich. Invest in building a brand. Yes! Ano pong pag-uusapan nating branding? Kailangan po, through the years, gumawa kayo ng brand. Like for example, perfect example na popular brand is Apple. Alam mo ba, Apple, sa Forbes po, annual look at the world most popular brand for the 9th straight time. Ang brand po ng Apple, is around 205 billion. 205 billion US dollars po ang value. Another brand po, Nike po, ay nako, 28 billion lang naman po. Sa fashion world po ang kanyang brand. Ganun po kamahal ang brand. At isa pang brand na pwede mo talagang i-build, nako friend, makinig ka, is what? Good name and reputation. That is a good brand. Your name is your brand. You should protect your brand. You should protect your name. Why? It took you years to build the brand. It took you years to build your name and reputation, but it only takes a few seconds to destroy it. Kaya huwag kayong magkakamali. Uulitin ko, huwag kayong magkakamali na piliin po yung pera versus reputation. Building period po ng good name and reputation po, good brand, many years or a lifetime. And last, may bonus po ako. Dapat 7 lang po, pero ginawa ko na ng 8. Oo, bonus na po. Ngayon ko lang po naalala. The 8th way, bonus! Yes! Pero bago ko bigay ang bonus, like muna. Click like muna kung nagustuhan nyo. Grabe, haba na effort natin. 8 investment that can make you rich. The 8th investment is this. Invest in education. Yes! Huwag kalimutan! Invest in self-learning. Invest in yourself. Bakit po? Ito po yung natutunan ko through the years. Mahirap po gawin ang isang bagay kapag di mo alam. Mahirap mag-drive pag di mo alam. Mahirap magluto pag di mo alam. Mahirap mag-swimming pag di mo alam. Mahirap din kumita pag di mo alam. Mahirap din magnegosyo pag di mo alam. Hindi mo makukuha to sa sipag at tiyaga. Nagigets nyo? Kailangan talaga natin matuto. The reason why you're having a hard time right now to make both ends meet, nobody wants that, pero nahihirapan ka kasi hindi mo alam. Tama! Kung alam mo lang, hindi nagawa mo ng paraan. That's the reason why I encourage you to invest in education. Invest in learning. The learning period, how many years? Many years or a lifetime, because there's no what we call as what ending sa learning, because every time we can learn something that is new. Alam mo, ang kagandahan, pag ikaw natuto ka, listen, don't tune out. Malapit na akong matapos. Pag natuto ka, you are going to make a lot of money. And then, honestly, right now, para sa akin, cash is king. Cash is king. Because when you have cash, you can buy whatever you need. Whenever you need it. And the good news is, pag meron kang cash sa pahirap ng panahon ngayon, you can negotiate for a good price. If you see an opportunity, spot an opportunity, you can buy a business. You can get to an opportunity because you have cash. Alam mo, kahit na maganda yung idea mo, pero pag wala kang cash, walang mangyayari. So again, what are the 8 things that you can do right now in order for you to invest and to become rich? Number 1, investment in real estate. Number 2, paper assets. Number 3, stock market. Number 4, invest in a business. Number 5 po, invest in your talents and skills. Number 6, building good relationship. Invest in relationship. Number 7 po, invest in your brand. Number 8, for me, the most important thing is invest in education.